Good morning, all of you. Again, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be very well at your home. Okay, dear friend. Now today we will discuss about our new topic, chapter 12, factorization. You have already familiar with this topic. You have studied in the class 6 and 7 also, right? You know the basic term like the prime number, composite number, even number, odd number, etc. A prime number, a number which have only two factor, number and itself. For example, suppose that 5. 5 is a prime number. Why? Because it is two factor, 1 and 5. If any number have only two factor, it is known as a prime number. So 5 is a prime number. 7 is also like this, 1 into 7. Right? 1 is a 7, 1 is a 1 into 7, but we can say only it has two factor, 1 and 7 itself. Any number which have two factor is known as the prime number, but which have more than two factor is known as the composite number. The smallest composite number is like the, suppose 4. We can divide 1, 2 into 2. It has two factor, 2 and 4. It is the smallest composite number. Suppose 6 are there. We can divide 1 into 2 into 3. Right? So 1 into 2 into 3, which have more than the two factor. Any number which have more than two factor is known as the composite number. It is clear? Okay. Let us start factors of the natural number. First, we should come on our topic. The number which divide the given number. Suppose 30 is a natural number. We should check this number is divided by this number. Yes, 30 is divided by the 1, 30 is divided by 2, 30 is divided by 3, 30 is divided by 5, 30 is divided by 6, 30 is divided by 15, and 13 is also divided by the 30 itself. So we can say these number are the factor. Matlab that number is this number is divided by given number. Okay, but we will discuss about the prime factorization. Okay, what is the prime factorization? Suppose 30 is the number. If you want to factorize like this, first you should take the LCM. First, if you are before the solving, first you should check that number is divided by the smallest number. The smallest number we will consider 2 is the smallest number, because if any unit place of the any given number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, we can say that number is divided by 2. It means 0 is there. It means 30 is divided by 2. When we divide 30, we will get 15. Again, now it cannot be divided by 2. Now we will take after 2, we will take the 3. 3 5 are 15. Now it is prime number. It means 1. We will divide all the term until we get 1. So we can say 32 into 3 into 5. When we multiply this number, we will get our result. Suppose 30, 1 into 30, it is also a factor. 30, 2 into 15, it is also the factor. But this factor is known as the prime factorization. Prime factor. Because 2 cannot be divided by any other number, 3 cannot be divided by any other number, as well 5 will also not divide by any other number. The number which are divided by itself is known as the prime number, but 30 is divided by 5, 3, 2, 15 also. 15 also divided by 3 and 5. So these numbers 30 and 50 are the composite number, but we should consider one is the prime factorization. The number which have all the multiple of the given number is a prime number is known as the prime factorization. It is clear? Similarly, in the class 7 we have discussed about the algebraic expression, their terms and their factor also. Again we will see the algebraic expression. Okay, now the next topic, factor of the algebraic expression. We have already discussed in class 7. Algebraic expression, algebraic expression, we can say the combination of the coefficient, constant and variable. We can say it is the algebraic equation. So algebraic equation, we can express algebraic equation as the product of their terms. Okay, their products are the term. For example, 5xy plus 6. Suppose 5xy is the first term, 6 is the second term, and we can combine 5xy plus 6, we can say into the expression. ठीक है, ये एक एक्सप्रेशन है, तो we can say in the first term 5xy, ये 5xy है, it is the product of the, this is expression product of their term, product of their factor, product of their factor. Okay, we can write product of their factor. Suppose 5xy, 5 x into y. Okay, we can say 5xy is a factor of 5x and y. It is the, we can say it is the prime factor. It is the prime factor of the 5xy, but in the algebraic expression we can say it is irreducible. R-E-D-U-C-I-B-L-E. ये आपको क्या है? प्राइम. नेचुरल नंबर में या फिर अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन वी कैन इसको बोलते हैं प्राइम फैक्टर, बट अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन इसी प्राइम फैक्टर को बोलते हैं इररेड्यूसिबल. इररेड्यूसिबल फॉर्म मतलब वी कैन नॉट एक्सप्लिट मोर देन द गिवन टर्म्स. राइट, ये एक्सप्रेशन हुआ. अब वी कैन नॉट फैक्टराइज अदर देन दिस फॉर्म. तो इस फॉर्म, अब इस फॉर्म से अब किसी और फॉर्म में हम कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते. दैट दिस फॉर्म इज नोन एज द इररेड्यूसिबल. इट कैन नॉट बी रिड्यूस्ड इन द अदर फॉर्म. राइट, तो दिस ये आपका क्या अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन के टर्म में इसको फैक्टराइजेशन होगा. अब सेम इसी तरह वी विल आल्सो डिस्कस अबाउट द सम मोर एग्जांपल. यू कैन टेक इज लाइक दिस. Suppose 6x square into y. So you can express 2 into 3 or into x into y. So you can say this term is factorized like this. That is also the factor of the given number. Right? If suppose if 2 or more terms are there, then what will be the common term in the given expression? Let us see. Next, method of the count factors. If expression are given, then how can factorize of the given expression by the taking the common. Suppose for example 4x plus 2 are here, right? 4x plus 2 या फिर 4x plus 6, you can take any example. Suppose you can factorize, we can split 2 into 2 into x plus 2, right? Or you can also split either 2 into 1. If a number is given, it means by default 1 is the multiplication, 1 is in the form of the multiplication. Alright, so what is the common between this expression? First you should check what is the common. See, 2 is here and 2 is also here. It means if it is 2 terms, if more than 2 terms or 3 terms, 4 terms are there, first you should check what is the common in all the term. If any number we see is the common in all the term, we should take a common from the given term. For example, 2 is here, you should take rightmost part, leftmost part. Okay, if we take 2 as a common, what will be the remaining part? 2. Here 2 will be remaining and s. After when 2 will come, 1 will be there. We can write the x is the factor of the 4x plus 2. You can factorize like this. तो ये एक टर्म हो गया, ये दो टर्म हो गया, ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये आपका फैक्टर हो गया. अब नाउ वी कैन नॉट अगेन फैक्टराइज दिस टर्म आफ्टर दिस टर्म. इसके बाद कोई इसका फैक्टर नहीं, बस ये इसका रिजल्ट हो गया. ऑलराइट, यू कैन टेक मोर एग्जांपल लाइक दिस. सपोज you can say x plus 1, x plus 2. It is already in factor form. If two brackets are there, if there is no any sign, by default you can say it is a multiplication sign, right? किसी भी दो फैक्टर के बीच में कोई साइन नहीं था तो बाय डिफॉल्ट वहाँ पे फैक्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन होती है. लेट अस सी सब मोर एग्जांपल. यू कैन सी एग्जांपल फर्स्ट. Example first, and how can we factorize the given example? Factorize. इसको factorize करना है. First we should split 12 into the prime factor like this. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 is 4, 4 is 12, right? 8 to the power 2 is there. So it means you can write a at 2 times, like a into a. Into b. If plus sign is there, you should write plus. If minus sign will be there, you should write minus. What is the sign is given, you will write as it is. Okay. The factor of the 15 is here. 3 into 5. A is 1 times, but b is 2 times, like this. Now see, what is the common in the given term? 2 is here, but 2 is not here. It means 2 is not common. 3 is here and 3 is here. It means 3 will be common. A is here. A is also here. But here is 2A, but here is only 1A. B is here. B is here. Right? These terms are the common between these two terms. All the common terms you should take before the bracket. Like this. 3 into A into B. Okay. After taking the common, what is the remaining term? You should write as it is. 2 into 2. ये हो बचा और आपका into A. प्लस साइन से you should write प्लस. यहाँ पे देखिए 5 बचा और B बचा. 5 into B. Right? You should multiply 3AB. 3AB is the factor. और यहाँ ब्रैकेट में 2 जा 4A plus 5B. It is the factor of the given expression. It is clear? So we can say 3AB in bracket 4A plus 5B is the factor of the 12A square B plus 15AB square. Okay? Let us see next example. Okay. Example 2. Right? It is the trinomial. If an expression has 2 terms, we can say binomial. But if an expression has 3 terms, we can say trinomial. More than 3 terms, we say polynomial. Okay, it is the part of the polynomial. It has 3 terms. And how can we factorize? Please see it. You can take the simple way. If all the variables are the same, right? If all the variables are the same, see what is the smallest power of a given variable. The smallest power of the given variable will be as a common. Okay. Suppose 2 into 5 into x square minus 2 into 3 into 3. You can take LCM like this. 18. 2 9 is 18. 3 3 is 1 or 3 1 is 3. It means the 18 is the factor of 2 into 3 into 3. X to the power 3. Similarly, 2 into 7 x to the power 4. Right? What is the common number? You can say 2, 2 and 2. The natural number 2 is the common between all the given number. 5 is here but 5 is not here. We cannot take a common. 3 is here but 3 is not here, so we cannot take a common. So only we will take a common the number which are given in all the expression. Okay, we can say 2. What is the smallest power of a variable? The smallest power, the power of the variable is known as the degree. The सबसे smallest degree क्या है? 2. What is okay? What is the smallest power? It means we can say x power 2. The smallest power will always, if all the variables in the given expression are the same, first we should check what is the smallest power of a given variable. The smallest power of a given variable will be as a common term. Okay, after taking the common 2 and x square, what will be there? 25. Minus will be there. 3 into 3, 9. When x power 2 is, okay, when x power 2 is real, अगर x पावर 2 चला गया तो क्या बचेगा 9x प्लस, ओके, x पावर 2 इज देयर प्लस 7 x पावर 2, राइट। अभी देखिए सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट पावर 2 था, 2 बाहर चला गया, यहाँ पे 1 बचा है, यहाँ इस x की पावर 3 पार्ट में से 2 पार्ट चला गया तो 1 पार्ट बचेगा, और x की पावर 4 में से 2 पार्ट चला गया तो 2 पार्ट बचेगा। इट मींस इट इज द फैक्टर ऑफ द गिवन एक्सप्रेशन। आई होप यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी वेल। तो डियर स्टूडेंट, एक्सरसाइज 12.1 you will try question 1 and question 2 also. So 1 and 2 will be as a homework, you will try. After that in the next video we will discuss exercise 12.1. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.